Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I got 2010 Nissan Versa, and I'm gonna show how to replace the horn. Okay guys, this horn is held by one screw. It's 12 millimeters screw, and then there's a 2-wire harness. So basically, you want to do it just like a press and then pull, press and pull. One is the green wire and one's red wire, and that's the horn. Okay, guys, and also now once you take out the wire harness, you take out the nut. It's along the left of the horn. Go. Yep. Use a 12 millimeter socket and a ratchet. Remove the nut. Just hold on to it, don't drop it, you know. Make sure it's set. Once it's loose, try to take it out with the socket only. There you go. Go. And here is the horn. You are going to remove the horn only and remove the nut in the back, the 10 millimeter nut. I would recommend you to use a short socket. So just use a short socket to remove the nut, or 10 millimeter nut in the back. That is just want to remove the horn only and save the hardware. And that's all you need to do. So to install the horn, you just put the 2-wire harness back. There you go. And then the screws, which is the nut. And this is it. Then the 12 millimeter socket. So use my hand, use the socket only. Once it's tight, use the ratchet. And the nut. Stick it easy on it. You don't want to snap it either. Just hold it in place. That's it. So that's how you install the horn for 2010 Nissan Versa. Okay guys, thanks for watching Tech Time with T. That is how you replace the horn of a 2010 Nissan Versa. It's actually just held by a nut, 2 nuts really. One is a 10 millimeter nut from the back, and one is up front, 12 millimeter nut. So that's how you remove it. And to remove to get access to the horn, you actually have to remove the front bumper and the grill. So please take a look at my other video to how to uninstall or remove the front bumper to gain access to this horn, to fix the horn. All right, it's easy. Replacement, 2-wire harness, two nuts, and that's it. But the main timing is the removal of the front bumper and the grill of the car. So check my video on the top, and thank you for watching Tech Time with T, and don't forget to subscribe, comment anything, comments, dislike, like, and if you want to any recommendation, just comment below.